So today we're here at Disneytown and we're going to explore Lakeshore Landing, and then we're also going to have some brunch in Cheesecake Factory and join Donald in the lake. You all probably recognize this place because we're here at the Cheesecake Factory. Obviously it's a popular place, but we're gonna have some brunch today which runs all the way up until 2, and they open the restaurant at 10, so you have plenty of time to come enjoy this. And it's only on Sundays though.
I didn't mention that they have their brunch, but they also have their all-day breakfast, which is the menu I ordered from. I got the brioche breakfast sandwich. It comes with bacon, egg, cheese, and ham, and then a side of potatoes. That bacon is so good. It also comes with grilled tomato, and that buttered toast is really fresh and good. I already ordered the Monte Cristo sandwich, so it has egg, bacon, cheese, and it comes with the French toast bread, jam on the side, and potatoes. And he got his eggs on the side because he doesn't like eggs, so I might eat his eggs later.
And I just tried mine and it's really good. It is a little sweet because of the French toast bread, but I personally like that. I don't know if some of you prefer that. And the potatoes are super tender. They got a nice flavor to them. I think they got some onions on it, but it's not overpowering and you can just move them aside if you don't like them. But they're really good. I really recommend this one. Right, so as y'all can see, today's a pretty sunny and hot day, but it was good that we were inside because of the AC. But now we're out here again in the heat. We're gonna try to find a spot so we can eat the cheesecake. But after that, we're gonna have a fun activity here at Disneytown that I think we should check out.
Okay, we found a spot near the lake. We can sit down and eat our cheesecake, but it's actually already melting. This one is dulce de leche flavored. I see it has nuts, but I'll try it. Anyways. Oh, it's really sweet. The dulce de leche flavor is strong. The bottom crust is almost cakey. I mean, I was ready for dessert. Eddie was a little stuffed from his meal, so he wanted to wait a little bit.
Alright, so I gotta say that dulce de leche cheesecake was pretty good, but I'm way too stuffed. I think Andrea got to enjoy a lot more of it. I'm not sure if I'd order it again, but then again, I don't know if that's just because I'm full. But hey, it was free. We just had to do a survey for it, so can't complain about that. We thought that we were gonna have to pedal these, but they're actually motorized, so we don't have to worry about that.
This is real-time motion. It feels slow, but it's actually going fast. How does it feel navigating?
It's pretty simple. Again, you don't have to do much. Once you turn it on, it's constantly moving forward. And it's a lot cooler out here than I expected. I thought it'd be a little hot because we were out in the sun, but this is pretty cool.
I'm enjoying this because I don't have to do anything. I'm just watching Eddie do everything. So I will say that they give us an emergency contact number. It's actually, there's a sticker on the boat that has the number as well. So if you do get stuck, you can just call them, and they call it the rescue hotline. So hopefully we won't need it, but it's good to have it. I was telling Eddie the story of the time I got stuck on a canoe in our hometown. We have a lake, and so ever since I've been a little bit scared of getting on boats. That we have to navigate ourselves.
And if you've seen any of our other videos, I'm always the one that's driving and navigating. Andrea's usually asleep. I think 30 minutes is too short for her to take a nap, but actually who knows. But I think I'm taking the wheel. Maybe we'll let her drive at the end. We'll see. But we're gonna see if we can get closer to the Shanghai Disneyland Hotel, and we can show you the view from the other side of this little cove. How's it going in the back? So you can see the Shanghai Disneyland Hotel off in the distance over there. That's Wishing Star Park, all of that. That's where we took off from. Let's see what else we can see. It's pretty relaxing.
Here's a little navigator. Where are we going, Eddie? Navigation button is, the characters are in Chinese, so so you can't even read it if you...
Yeah, the throttle or accelerator or decelerator button is in Chinese, but it's pretty simple, right? There's three options. One is to cut off the engine, one is to go back, and then one is to go forward. There's nothing to it, I think. But it is in Chinese, but they explain to you everything what to do. And if you see this building right here, this one's actually pretty cool. It's a virtual reality experience, which we'll have to show you another day, but that's definitely another option for when it's hot outside. You can go inside in the AC and enjoy a little bit. So this is great also for you to get a different perspective of what Disneyland looks like from different angles.
What?
So we just finished, and actually they were telling us that we could stay longer. Normally if you stay a minute over or anywhere between a minute and 10, they'll charge you the other rate, but since there's no one else out there, they told us we could stay longer, but it's fine. I think we had our fun in the 30 minutes and we got to go everywhere we wanted to. So we're here at Happy Lemon waiting for our drinks. We've had some of these before and they're not that expensive and they're pretty good, especially refreshing after being out at the lake. I think Andrea got a new one. We're gonna see how that is, but I got the one I always get, which is the lemonade and some pineapple sauce. That was pretty good.
It's like a salty, cheesy foam. This is really good. And the green tea is really fresh.
Okay, so now we cooled down and we had our drinks. That's a really cool store also because it's themed. They have their little lemon plush toys and just the entire decoration and theme is pretty cool. And now we're just going to, of course, do our tradition, which is to trade the pin at the end of the day, and we're gonna see where we can find someone to trade the pin with. So now we're here inside the World of Disney store and we're on the hunt to see who we can find that has the lanyard with the pins.
About that Aladdin taking a shower. The top Aladdin. Thank you. Okay. This one's a fun one. It's Aladdin taking a shower or a bath. Oh, sorry, I keep getting them confused. It's Genie taking a bath.
So that's going to be it for today. As always, we had a great time enjoying some of the snacks, the activities, and just walking around Disneyland. So we'll see you next time.